Subscribe to Get Curried and click on the bell icon for more updates.
The word Reshmi means silky, and this is an appropriate description of the kebab that we are going to make today, which is the Reshmi Kebab. I have half kilo of boneless chicken which I have cut into small cubes. To that I'm going to add 1 cup of hung curd, a teaspoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of ginger paste, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, half a teaspoon of Garam Masala Powder. I prefer to have the Garam Masala in this particular recipe. This is optional. To this I'm going to add cashew nut and almond paste, which is about half a cup. So I had taken quarter cup of almonds and quarter cup of cashew nuts, soaked it and then made it into a fine paste. And now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. Now you know why this tikka is going to be nice and silky, because of the rich ingredients that we have added to this. And I'm going to add salt, half a lemon juice. I'm going to mix all this together really well, and I'm going to let it marinate for minimum an hour. The longer you marinate, the better your Reshmi kebab is going to taste. I'm now just going to refrigerate it for an hour. It's been an hour. We had left the chicken to get marinated. Now let's cook this. Here I have a few bell peppers which I'm going to dice. I'm going to dice an onion as well. And I'm just going to open up these layers of onion. I have these few wooden skewers and I'm going to just skewer the chicken on it. Keep a little distance between each piece of meat and vegetables. I have a grill pan here which I have heated up. I'm going to just pour a tablespoon of oil on it and a little butter, maybe 1 teaspoon of butter. And I'm just going to place this onto the grill pan. You can grill this in an oven or you can simply barbecue it in a tandoor. The flame is on a low, and now after 5 minutes I'm going to turn the kebabs and cook them slowly and evenly on all the sides. The reason why these kebabs are called Reshmi kebabs is because of its smooth, silky texture. We've been grilling this for the last 10 minutes. I'm just going to baste this with very little butter. We've cooked our Reshmi kebabs evenly on all sides for almost 20 to 25 minutes, and these are done. I'm just going to remove them on a serving platter. I'm just going to sprinkle some chaat masala on this. These Reshmi kebabs are ready to be served. They go very well as a party starter. So do try this recipe and let me know.